Hello, it's Clarky's Hobbies here again. So another thing a little bit different. I saw this in a games toy market. It was up at Enfield, North London, a few weeks ago. So I thought I'd get it. It's the old Airfix Bengal Lancers. He originally is the first Duke of York's own Bengal Lancers Skinner's horse. So that would be in 1814 in the Northwest Frontier. So I saw him, I thought I'd give it a go. It looks a nice little figure, and it challenged my painting eye, the turban, because it was different colours. And this is how it's come out, really. This box is 1976. So everyone says, don't open it, keep it, it'll be expensive, just like Star Wars boxes. I thought, well, look, it wasn't that expensive when I bought it. It was only like £25, so I thought I'll have it anyway. And I finished them off, so here he goes. So I've done them on a little base, made a little diorama out of them. I think it's come out pretty good, matter of fact. I've done them as an older fella, but I put a little grey beard of him. Doing like he's just guarding a certain position in the Northwest Frontier. These rocks I got off the building sites. This is a stone laying around the place. I found a couple of crows in my little boxes I got from shows in the past. Stick them on, a little bit different. Now this was a little bit different when I was doing this model they do nowadays. The rains really come on them. These come from little bits of paper, really. It's this is the sheet you work from, and this bit at the top you had to cut out, and it's got all the strips of paper, and you had to glue them on there. Very, very fiddly. And if you did glue them wrong, peel them off, they just tear to bits, because it's just, well, what's this, just hard paper, really, not plastic or anything. Same as the flag coming this, and I just had to cut it, trim it, shape it, and it come out like that. Bit awkward to stick. Normal glue is no good, so I had to use super glue. We've got very sticky and fiddly, but come out pretty well. I'm happy with that. So this Northwest Frontier is just garden section. So I am actually very happy with that, to be honest. It's a good bit of history. If you can get the box, go for them. This is just what I'm reading from. 1814, Afghanistan. That'd be Northwest Frontier. But it's a very good little figure. Could have done a little bit better here and there, but I'm happy overall. The what do you call it? The turban come in nice little colours. Very chuffed at them because it gives it a little bit more character. Is he Sikh, Hindu, or Muslim? I'm not too sure, especially with the red bit on the top. It's usually I usually think they're Muslim, but I'm not too sure. But overall, a nice little model to go with my diorama displays. It weighs a ton with these big stones on them, but they look pretty good. And it gives the stones a good scrubbing, and I stuck them in the oven for just a few minutes to kill any bugs there's any left, and just do lots of dry washing. Spray the whole stone yellow or sandy yellow, and just give it a little bit of dry brushing. But overall, very happy with that. So that's another one for my diorama. First Duke of York's own Bengal Lancers Skinner's horse. There's a good little bit of history about them. It's worth looking up, really. He's armed to the teeth. He's got a lance. He's got one handgun. Oops, sword's just gone. He's got another handgun. And he's got a rifle, repeating rifle like they do in the cowboy films. So he's armed to the teeth. Oh, and there's two crows just going, what's going on here? It's like a Winchester rifle, I think that is. There's a sword. So he's armed to the teeth. He could do a lot of damage. Especially on this horse, he can get around quite a bit. Very nice figure. Okay, thank you everyone. Take care.